Hey there, Carl here from PT Downloads. How are you? So in this video, we're going to do a walkthrough of our new drag and drop page builder software. So if you're familiar with online sales technology, we're talking about landing pages, we're talking about lead capture pages, and we're also talking about sales funnels. In fact, you can build any website page you want. You can build a website with 100 pages that all interconnect if you want to. You can do as much or as little as you want with this. So I'm going to give you a walkthrough and explain how you can access it, how it works, and some of the main features that you're going to want to be using. Okay, so first of all, in order to be able to access the drag and drop page, landing page builder feature, you're going to have to be on either a Fit Pro upgrade account or our top level elite plan. The Fit Pro, the difference between the two is basically with Fit Pro, any page that you create still has the PT Downloads URL, so it has the www.ptdownloads/your name/ the sales page or landing page name, because obviously you're using the software as part of the overall software product. With Elite, you get your own standalone separate website. So you get all of the features, you still get to use PT Downloads and all of the cool features if you want to, but with Elite, you actually basically get everything in a standalone website just for you, and you can use your own domain there. And also, the Elite version of our page builder just makes plugging in stuff like emails and checkouts and stuff like that little bit easier and quicker, and a bit smoother, it's worth the extra money if you're someone that wants a standalone self-managed site where you can do all of that yourself with our support. So here we go. But the minimum level that you need is the Fit Pro account. So to get to that, we're at PT Downloads homepage here. You're going to obviously log in and enter your vendor credentials. When you get to your homepage here, you're going to click. You can click to dashboard if you want to, but you don't need to. You can go straight to, you'll see this appear here, landing pages. This is an option that you'll see once you upgrade to Fit Pro or Elite. And you're going to click, you can either create a new landing page or you can edit or delete an existing one that you've already made. So we're going to go and click create. While that's happening, I'm going to close stuff on here. Okay. So here we go. We're at the create landing page page on the site, and you call the landing page whatever you want to call it. So we're going to call ours test sales lead page. I'm going to click create landing page. Here we go. Okay, so here we go. The landing page builder is loading up. We partnered with a company called Thrive Architect and integrated their software into the PT Downloads website to make everything nice and easy. So you come to a generic setup page here, and it gives you some basic instructions. It says create PT Downloads landing page. Number one, navigate to the page option at the bottom of the page, which is down here. Bottom. Choose landing page template and select your landing page, and away you go. So really, we're inside the Thrive Architect page builder editor now. This is this whole section that we're in, and you can add and remove all of these amazing widgets, which I'm going to talk about in a second, to create your ideal perfect page. But I'd imagine that you're probably going to want to start with a template. So to select your template, you go down to page setup, click choose landing page template, nice and simple, and we'll open up with as many options as you want as to the type of landing page that you want to create. So we have the default templates here. You have a blank one and build your own. Here's a fit brand one to do with a fitness type brand, and you can obviously go in there and edit and change everything: color scheme, branding, text, pictures, videos, backgrounds. You can change everything. It's just a template for you to start playing with. And depending on your goal, whether it's lead capture or checkout or to sell a product or to promote a webinar, there is a template of pages here that you can use. And there's literally, if you added up all of the pages that are built here, there's hundreds that you can choose from. So we're going to go and select the Fit Brand template, which is right here. And you can see that all of the pages that you're going to need are already branded with the same colors, and they all look and feel the same. So you can go in there and change those colors, obviously page by page, no problem, using your own brand colors. But all of the pages in this format, the Fit Brand format, are designed to fit and work together. So it's saving you all that time and effort in thinking about, well, how do I create this page? What should it look like? We've just done it all for you. So we're going to select, for instance, the home page for Fit Brand, but we also have a lead gen page, which is where you're going to send customers to for them to give you their email address or telephone number or whatever that might be. There's a confirmation page that says, thank you very much for giving me that email. If you have a download that you want customers to be able to click, enter their email for, and then receive, you can use this page. This is just basically another page, another playground where you can upload any of your extra content. So this could potentially be a membership site, or you could upload a load of your workout videos or whatever you want. And obviously you can duplicate these pages as many times as you want. If you want, you can have 100 pages, different pages doing different things on your website, which you can build from here. So we're just going to go with the home page. So to select it, you click select, and move me out of the way here, and choose template. So here we go. So we've now installed the fitness styled homepage in your account. And now you can have a play with it. You can change anything you want to change. And it's really easy to do. It's super easy, actually. You don't have to be a techie expert to get this right. So obviously this on itself is a whole web page giving all the information that you would need. You can add and remove whatever you want to this page, or totally change it. So I'm just going to walk you through some of the basic things that you're going to want to be able to do straight away, I'd imagine. So number one, you're going to want to probably change your company logo. So again, you can put these boxes anywhere on the page. So with any element here, you'll see that the blue box opens up around any of the elements. And this really is to show you that when you click in that blue box, the settings for that element open up over here on the left-hand side. So right now, we're seeing the ability to add an element. So for instance, if we wanted to add a paragraph above the main title, we would do it like this, and a little arrow points to where it's going to go. And you can add the paragraph in there. To remove it, just click the bin button. Simple. So to change your logo, you're going to click here, and then the options for this box open up here. So it's number one is change the image. You can change the image size if you want to. The style of the image, you can have a link so that when someone clicks that image, it takes them to a different web page or another page on your site, maybe a product page where you want to sell something. And then you can change all of these settings here, the effects of the image, whether it's grayscale, opaque, or blurry. You can change the layout and position of where it sits on the page, and you're best just having a play with that yourself. Again, really straightforward stuff. You can add borders, animations. You can select whether you want it to appear just on a desktop or on a mobile. There's so many really easy to use options here. And the best thing is for you just to jump in, have a go. You'll figure it out really quickly. You can always ask us if you need help. So for instance, to change this image, we're going to go back to image options, which is the first one, and you would just click change. It takes you to your image library. So let's have a look at my media library here. See if there's an image that we want to use. We'll change it to the PT Downloads logo. Click insert. And there we go. It appears at the top there. Now the actual PT Downloads logo is too big to fit in this one particular space, but you get the idea. So to undo, go down here, click undo. And we'll go back to the original logo. So you get the idea. Very easy to change images. If you want to change images elsewhere. For instance, maybe you want to change this image here. Again, you just click on it. Now, I think what we've done here is I think they have done a background image in this section. Let's have a look. Let's start. Yeah, they use an image here. So we can remove that image and you see that it disappears and replace it with a new image. Add an image, choose that image, and let's pick this lady here, Olivia Fit Pro or demo model. And Olivia's going to go back in there. And if we wanted to change that image in any way, we can create it. We can make it more opaque. We can blur that out if we want to. Or we can add layers over it with different colors, etc. All right, so that's how to change images. And again, I'll leave you to have a play with all of those different styles and layer overlays and effects, etc. But you see how really easy it is just to change an image. You're either going to change the actual image, or if the image has been added as a background to a particular piece of content, you just go into background style, add an image or remove the image from here. Very straightforward. To change text, again, really easy. Just click the box and you can instantly edit that text here. And really straightforward stuff. Click out of it and it automatically will replace that text. So again, really easy to add or remove or change text. To add text to a section, we should go back to our widgets and we can add a heading here if we want to. Second. So let's go back here, add a heading. There you go. Your heading here. Amazing. Headings. And to edit the heading, you've got all these options up here. So you can center it, move to the right or the left. You can put it in bold, italics, underline, all the usual stuff that you would need. And you can obviously change the color over here. That opens up straight away. You can use your brand colors that you've used before. And again, it just makes everything really, really easy to edit and change and make exactly how you want. Okay, so let me see here. What's next? Yeah, somewhere along the way, maybe you want to add a button, and that button might want to take them to another page on the site. It might say enter your details here, or sign up for this, or download this, or buy this button. You go back to your widgets, and we find the button, which is number 4 here, and you can drop a button anywhere you like on this page. And we can change the button width, and we can also change the, let me see here. You can change the writing on the button really easily. This could be download my awesome watch here. And then you could, for instance, put a button link on this button really easily. And this could be the URL of one of your other pages. Perhaps it's a page where the customer can access that download, maybe your download page that we showed you earlier, which you can grab from a template. So you just install that, call it a page, like for instance, it could be a download page. Then you would add the URL in here so that when the customer clicks a link on this page, it takes them to the other page, whether that's a lead capture page or a purchase page, a checkout page, whatever it might be. So adding buttons and links is really easy too. Obviously, you can change the color, the style of these buttons. Let me see, let's do that now. Really easily. You can change the color here. standard kind of blue color. There we go. And there's loads of other options on the button, like background style, whether you want a round bordered button or one with a line around it. There's a load of different options for you to choose from. Okay, to add a background to a section, really easy stuff. Again, let's say, for instance, we've got a whole section here with these blog posts. Let's say you wanted to add a background image. Again, it highlights the background section there, and it tells you that you're looking at a background section. So to go in here, we're going to go background style. You can add a video if you want to. So you just click, add the video source. This could be YouTube, and add the YouTube URL. And then a video will play in the background of this section, which is cool if you want it to be. Or you can have an image. So I'm just going to show you what we can do here. We're going to add an image here. Let's have an image of these two people running. Okay, let's use that. And there you go. It imports a whole image into the background of that section really quickly, again, really easily. And with that image, you get the option straight away to go in there and change it so that it works better for the site. So we can make it more opaque and see-through if we want to. If there's text overlaying, sometimes a grayscale is better to make the background a bit darker. Or if you want to, you could slightly blur out that image. So that you can read the writing over the top. Again, this is all totally tailorable, up to you, as much or as little as you want. Okay, so let's talk about how to add a contact form. So let's say, for instance, let me see, at the very bottom of the form or anywhere you want, let's say this bit here where it says sign up and start using the product. Let's add a contact form under here. So we're going to go back to our widgets, and we're going to go down until we find a contact form. You can see there's everything from added videos, call to actions, guarantees, and you're best just having a play, dragging these onto the page, see what they do, and we're playing around with the settings. And again, if you need help, we're here for you. Here's a contact form. So you just click and drag. The arrow tells you where it's going to go. Perfect. And all of these forms are styled so that they look and feel great and work inside your page. There's contact field settings here that you can edit. So you can edit all of these fields, add as many as you want. It could be a telephone number, it could be any field that you want. You can add here and label. You can change the style of these forms as well. And you can set up in the settings on the left-hand side where that email is going to go to. So you can put your own email if you want it to go there, or somewhere else, and what information you want to be in that email. And you can also set what happens after they submit the form to send you their details. They can reload the page, redirect to another page, maybe a thank you page that says thank you for submitting your email, like the one that we showed you earlier, a template. So literally just add that as a thank you page to your landing pages, and then point the customer to that page after they enter their email here. Or you might want a nice success notification that pops up and says, hey, thanks very much, we got your email. So we'll go with that one here. And you can obviously add a little message to yourself that says, or to the person that says, hey, thanks very much for your email. That's great. And if you want to, you can send a confirmation to the user to help them feel comfortable that we have received, or you have received their email. So, get out the way here. So we're going to click save. Okay, at any point, so we added a contact form there. Again, really easy, took about a minute. And the details from that form will always go straight to your email. Really easy stuff, very quick to do, but also very important for lead capture. So hopefully you're getting the idea of the forms now. You can use them for whatever you want, and there's specific ones built for lead capture, for conversions, for downloads in the template section that we showed you at the very start. So you don't have to build these forms. They're already there for you. You just literally have to put your own pictures and text in them, and they'll work perfect, saving you hours and thousands of dollars paying other people to do this for you. At any point, if you want to preview the page and see what it looks like on a mobile or desktop, you can click here and it will show you what it would look like on a tablet and what it would look like on a mobile. So you'll know exactly what your customers are going to see, and you can design it for that format, which is a great way to make these pages. Obviously, if you know that 100% of people maybe responding to your Facebook adverts are going to be always view your content on a mobile, then you're going to design these pages so that they look beautiful and work on a mobile. At any point to preview the whole page without the editor, just click bottom left and preview. And you can preview the whole page as it looks and feels as a customer would see it. Okay. So, and then when you're ready to save that page, we'll go back to main view. We're going to click save there so that that contact form saves. Okay, there you go. So the contact form is saved and done. Let's add a pricing table. So let's say you want to sell a product which includes a number of different features. You would go to pricing tables, which we have here. 1 second. Go up here and find it. Go pricing table. Let's drop one right here. There you go. So obviously you can edit these as much as you want. You can have 1, 2, or 3, or more if you want. And you can add all of your services and products with buttons at the bottom. Again, when the customer clicks to buy the button, it's going to take them to another page which you've created, which is your sales page, or it can take them to an external checkout, whether you use PayPal or Stripe, and we can help you do that. Or if you use your product purchase shortcode, when you create your product in PT Downloads vendor section, dashboard, you can use that shortcode and your pages here, your landing pages, when the customer clicks to buy, they will be redirected to the PT Downloads checkout, which means that you don't actually have to connect or find or sign up for your own checkout service with PayPal or Stripe. You can still use the PT Downloads checkout if you want to by using the product purchase shortcode, which you can find on your product submission form in your vendor dashboard. I hope that makes sense. Again, if you get stuck, just send us a little message and we'll do a little video and show you how that works. But again, beautiful pricing tables, which you can edit the colors and design and everything instantly just dropped on that page for you. So you can list your products and services or workouts or whatever that might be, memberships, and the customer can click to buy and be taken to your sales page where they can complete that purchase. So again, hopefully showing you the pricing tables is super easy to do. And let's have a look and see what's next. Yeah, let's say, for instance, you've got this sales page or you've created a sales funnel. We're going to show you some of our fitness sales funnels next. And most of them will always have a guarantee, which is 100% guarantee money back. If you don't get the results you want, we'll give you your money back, or et cetera, et cetera. So again, we're looking for a guarantee. Guarantee box, here we go. I'm going to drop this in the bottom like so. And it gives you so many options for guarantee, how you want it to look and feel. We'll pick, I guess, one of the more obvious ones, which is this one here, minimal, with the guarantee stamp. There you go. And again, you can change all of this text and change the colors and everything that you want. But it just gives you, again, another great feature, which customers kind of expect now in online sales before they click the buy button. Okay, so when it comes to checkout and adding checkouts, so a customer clicks the button to buy, where do they go? In the FitPro account, you can either use our checkout by using the product purchase code, which we discussed earlier from your vendor account. And that just, as soon as they click the button, it takes them straight through to the PT Downloads checkout. And we take care of all of that for you. If you don't want to do that in these pages, you can use them as a standalone website just for yourself. You can plug in using the HTML box, which is here. 1 second. Let's find it. HTML. So this is basically a simple website code box where you would drag it. Let's say you wanted to put the checkout here. Let's have a look. Let's see. I can put that. There we go. There we go. That's where we want to put a checkout underneath the button there. Okay, so let's ask for some HTML code. Now, don't worry, you don't need to be a programmer for this. If you have your own checkout with PayPal or Stripe, probably, or any other PayPal provider, they will give you this code. It'll be on their website in your account settings, and you just copy the code, literally copy and paste it in here. And then when the customer clicks the button, your own Stripe or PayPal checkout will pop up, and the customer will enter the credit card details, and you'll receive that payment direct into your own payment gateway. It will not go through PT Downloads checkout. Again, that's your choice. It's totally up to you. It's very easy to do here. With our Elite membership package, you get your own standalone website, and it comes with a built-in checkout, which connects to Stripe and PayPal. So it's a little bit easier to use your own. What that does, it just basically makes it's more of a plug and play solution. So you don't have to go and get that code and insert it into your page. We just plug in your checkout provider's API keys, they're called, like link keys, so that both systems talk and everything is made a lot easier. And that's if you take our Elite Plan membership. Again, if you're interested in the Elite Plan membership, you want that kind of whole standalone on your own site with your own domain name, www.yourbrand.com, with complete autonomy and management of all of your page building software, including payment gateways and lead generation forms and a load of other really cool stuff, including video courses, then you can just upgrade to the Elite membership, and we can help you there. But if you are quite happy to use the FitPro functionality and pages, you can still do everything you want to do, including your payment checkout, very, very easily using that HTML code or your product short codes from PC Downloads to get the job done. And again, the first time you do it, it's going to seem difficult, like any new thing. So just shoot us a message, and we'll send you a very specific video specific to your page to help you get that right as quickly as possible. Okay, so just before we leave, I want to show you the fitness-specific, highly converting sales funnels that you'll be able to find in the Save Templates section. So we've saved this page. Obviously, we're finished with it now. Let's change the template. Well, let's create a new template. And now what we're looking for is our highly converting fitness sales funnels. So these are really funnels that you're going to link to from Facebook adverts. These are funnels that are highly converting elsewhere on the internet, and we have replicated them and produced them inside PT Downloads for you to use very quickly, saving you loads of hours of time and thousands of dollars in paying someone else to do it for you. So here we go. So we're going to change our landing page template, and instead of clicking default here, we're going to go into saved landing pages. And you'll see that we've already saved 1, 2, 3, 4 highly converting fitness sales funnels just for you. And we're going to be adding another 20 in the coming weeks and months. And all of these are going to be available to you free as a FitPro member or Elite member. You can just click and view them and then choose whichever one you feel fits your particular sales process for that day or that week or that cycle or whatever it might be. So here we go. So let's use, let's go for this one here, 12-week total body transformation funnel. Let's click it. Let's take a look. Okay, so here we go. So this is different to a point in that these are highly optimized sales pages designed to do one thing, which is to get a customer who you've sent here from Facebook, from a Facebook advert, to do one thing: click and join something, click to buy something, or click to give you money and buy a product. So these are optimized to effectively guide customers through that sales process and click the button, do what you want them to do at the end and buy your product or interact with you in the way you want them to. So an example here, again, we just put generic pictures in the background here. You put some images of yourself or some fitness image that works. These are very salesy. So, discover how to destroy your fat, boost your confidence, and transform your life in just 8 weeks, all while enjoying the food you love, etc. You get the idea. Regular price, down, heavily in a sale at the moment. Yes, I want to know more. We've got all of the guarantees that you're going to give the customer of what they're going to get from this funnel. Obviously, a picture of you. You're going to put in client testimonial results, so the customer thinks, oh, that's great. That's going to be me soon. What else is included in your purchase or in the membership plan? You might include your fitness, diet, nutrition, your plans, any other ebook that you want to give away or information you want to give away. Here's all the other stuff you're going to get for free as a customer. Again, you can change all of these images and graphics. It's so easy to do. Total offer, etc. You can watch everything on a mobile and desktop. It's all online, etc. Today only. So it's a very salesy, sales-driven offer. It's called an irresistible offer funnel, and it's designed for customers to be sent to after a Facebook advert, and they look at it and think, wow, this offer is so good, I need to click this button and buy this now. And obviously when they click this button, it would take them to your checkout page or your membership sign-up page or whatever that might be. Give me your details page. Whatever the outcome of this funnel is, you can direct them to that using these call to action buttons here. So to give an example, you would click the button and select where you want to send that customer and just include your other page. That's a URL. And as soon as the customer clicks this button on the live page, they'll be taken straight there. Maybe that might be to check out for a product or a monthly subscription membership or whatever that might be, or to capture someone's email. You might have a box that pops up here that captures the customer's email. That's all very possible using our page builder software. So there you go. And if you want to change the template, again, very simple. You don't want that one. You simply go back, change the landing page template to another one. And maybe you might find that you like this one better. Maybe it suits your product better. Maybe you might enjoy editing this one more easily than another one. Yeah, maybe you might enjoy editing this one a bit easier than your other one. Maybe you like the style of this one over the other ones. Like I said, there's going to be about 20 or more, and constantly adding a lot of these highly converting sales pages, which are very easy to edit. Very easy to edit, very quick to edit, and very easy. This one has a demonstration video in it and some different testimonials. So it's just the whole look and feel is different, and you get to choose which template you want, edit it, and then it's live immediately for you to start pointing your Facebook customers to. So there you go. That's kind of the end of the demonstration of our drag and drop page builder software. Hopefully you can see that you can get up and running with any page that you want to create in no time. You don't need to be a tech guru to be able to edit and generate these pages. And when you're done, you just click save, and that will save the page. I'm going to exit here. And that'll take you back and show you what the page looks like. If it was live. Okay. And then we're going to go back to PT downloads. Let me see. Back. Okay, here we are back at your dashboard. And we're going to go into landing pages, where we're going to view the page that we just created. It should be here now. So here we go. Here's a page that you just created. Here's the URL. So to share this on Facebook, you're literally just going to copy this link and paste it into a post on Facebook or email. And then the customer will be sent to your landing page where they can then purchase your product or interact with you however you have intended. To edit this page, simply just click edit and you'll go back into the Thrive Architect editor. And to share it on Facebook, you just click the button and it'll take that URL. And it'll take that URL and insert it into Facebook, so you can say, hey, everyone, check out my new sales page. So easy. click post, and there you go. All your Facebook followers, and you can also add that same link to your Facebook adverts will be sent to your new sales landing page, hopefully buy your products. Okay, so that's all from me, Carl from PC Downloads. Hope you enjoyed that video. Hope it was useful. If you've got a particular need or thought for a video that you'd like that you think would help you and other users of our site, please just shoot me a message and let me know what that video would be, and we'll make it for you. Have a great day. Bye.